Hello everyone, my name is Utsav. Our problem statement is in Odoo-TransitOps. So let's get started. Here is our website for TransitOps. As you can see, it is a role-based control login for our page. The user has to input email, password and his role. We already inputted our email and password, so we straight go to roles, and there are 4 roles: fleet manager, driver, safety officer and financial analyst. We select fleet manager for this one and sign in. After logging into the fleet manager, we under the dashboard we can see vehicle type, status, region. Under the fleet section we can add vehicle, like if I have to give an example, there is a name, model, code, and the maximum capacity of 100 kg. We can save this vehicle, and we can delete this vehicle if we don't want. Now under the drivers section we can add drivers, delete drivers or reset the drivers, like for example RM, RAM, license number, this is a test number, and mobile number. You can add expiry date of the license, like 2027, and save the driver. Also we can delete the driver also, and the same goes in trip section. We can add trips, source location, destination, vehicle availability, available vehicle, available driver, and cargo weight, and plane distance for the trip. And under the live board we can see we can accept and reject it and Ahmedabad depot. Under the maintenance section we can add vehicle, service, oil change, or any cost, date and status. Under the service log we can see the service being done, like brake pad replacement for 4500, anything. Fuel and expenses management. Under the fuel and expenses management section, log fuel, add expense, vehicle ID, date, liters, cost. Under the log fuel we can log the fuels, like vehicle, date, liters, cost. Under the expense tab under the expense tab we can add vehicle, expense type, amount, date. Under the final report and analytics, as we can see, there is a fuel efficiency, fleet utilization, and operational cost, and vehicle ROI. We can see the top costliest vehicles and the monthly revenue of the company of TransitOps. And we can export the CSV. We can, as you can see, there is a general tab and a role-based access display for different roles. Now we can safely log out from the website by the logout बटन. ये हमारा फास्ट एपीआई का यूआई है, ये हमारा स्वेगर यूआई है. इसके अंदर डिफरेंट एंड पॉइंट्स है फॉर ऑथेंटिकेशन, व्हीकल्स, ड्राइवर्स, ट्रिप्स, मेंटेनेंस, फ्यूल लॉक्स, एक्सपेंसेस, डैशबोर्ड वगैरह वगैरह. ये हमारा फ्रंट एंड का फ्रंट एंड की सेटअप है. वीट एंड रिएक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम फ्रंट एंड में. ये हमारा बैकएंड का सर्वर है, पाइथन और पोस्टग्रेस यूज़ कर रहे हैं. हमारा पोस्टग्रेस का pgAdmin फोल्ड है. ये हमारा ईआर डायग्राम है फॉर दी डाटाबेस. जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं व्हीकल्स, ड्राइवर्स, ट्रिप्स, मेंटेनेंस लॉग, यूज़र, वेहिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स, फ्यूल लॉग्स, एक्सपेंसेस, ये सब की रिलेशनशिप दिखाता है।